So today this port got formally inaugurated by Chief Minister of Kerala, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan, and also the Union Shipping and Ports Minister, Mr. Sarvanand Sonowal. So both of them have inaugurated the first phase of this port, which is also the first and the largest transshipment hub or the port of the country. So this port in the initial first phase will have 1 million TEU capacity and will become operational from December fully. And in the second phase, it will have 3 million TEU capacity, which is a measure for the container that these ships or the mother vessels can carry. This port will also have a significance as far as the trade and the EXIM trade is concerned, where India had been losing badly to the transshipment hubs in the neighboring countries, like especially from Colombo, the Jebel Ali port in Dubai, and also from the Singapore port and the Malaysian ports. So now one advantage is that we'll be saving a lot on the port handling charges and also on the extra add-on costs that these imports and exporters have to face. The other advantage that this port will bring is in terms of turnaround of the ships and the transportation of the containers and the cargoes, which earlier used to take almost 1 month's time, will now reduce to less than 15 or even lesser time. So the turnaround of the transportations and the cargoes will also be additionally helping the importers and exporters from this transshipment hub. This is the largest PPP project that Adani Group has tied up with the Kerala state government, and also the largest PPP as far as the entire country is concerned. So a lot will be happening over the course of the day. We'll be coming back to you with more details.